Have you ever wondered how your body repairs itself at a cellular level, or how you can naturally enhance your health and longevity without relying on complicated routines? What if the answer lies in something as simple as what you eat and when you eat it? In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating process of autophagy, the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells to regenerate newer, healthier ones. But that's not all. We'll explore how fasting ties into this process and reveal the top 6 foods that can supercharge your body's ability to activate autophagy. So, whether you're new to fasting or a seasoned pro, this guide will equip you with actionable insights to optimize your health. Ready to uncover the secrets to cellular rejuvenation? Let's begin. What is autophagy? Autophagy is your body's natural recycling system, derived from the Greek words auto meaning self and phagy meaning eating. Autophagy literally translates to self-eating. But don't let that term scare you. This process is how your body removes old or dysfunctional cells and replaces them with healthy, efficient ones. When autophagy is active, it can boost energy, enhance immune function, and even reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and neurodegenerative conditions. What is a fasted state? You might think fasting is just skipping meals, but it's so much more. A fasted state begins after your body finishes digesting food, typically 8 to 12 hours after your last meal. During this time, insulin levels drop, and your body shifts from burning glucose to utilizing stored fat for energy. This metabolic switch is crucial for activating autophagy. Without digestion to focus on, your body redirects its energy to repair and maintenance, unlocking the full benefits of autophagy. How can I do fasting? Fasting doesn't have to be daunting. Here are a few simple approaches. Minimalistic fasting. Popular methods like 16-8 involve fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. Alternate day fasting, eating normally one day and consuming minimal calories the next. Extended fasting, going 24 hours or more without food, typically done under guidance. The key is to start slow and choose a method that fits your lifestyle. Always stay hydrated and listen to your body as you adjust. Top 1 food to promote autophagy. First on the list is green tea. Rich in catechins and antioxidants, green tea can amplify autophagy when consumed during fasting. It's also known to boost metabolism and aid in fat burning. Sip on a cup of green tea during your fast to enhance its benefits. Top 2 food next up is turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to activate genes linked to autophagy, making it a perfect addition to soups, teas, or even capsules. Top 3 foods to focus on in these to make sure you're doing protein. So for example, you can have lunch and then eat your breakfast smokes, talks, and broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Packed with sulforaphane, these veggies support detoxification pathways and encourage cellular repair. Incorporate them into your eating window for maximum impact. Top 4 food? The 4th food is berries, especially blueberries. High in antioxidants and polyphenols, they help reduce oxidative stress, creating the ideal environment for autophagy to occur. Enjoy them as a light snack or in smoothies. Top 5 foods. 5th on the list is avocado. This nutrient-dense fruit is rich in healthy fats and potassium, supporting cell function and keeping you satiated during your fasting window. It's a perfect way to break your fast or complement a meal. Top 6 foods. Finally, we have fermented foods, like kimchi, sauerkraut, and yogurt. These are loaded with probiotics which support gut health, a key factor in enhancing autophagy. Plus, they're an easy addition to any meal. Conclusion: autophagy is a powerful process that can transform your health. And by incorporating fasting and these 6 superfoods, you can take it to the next level. Which of these foods are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to optimize their health. Stay tuned for more tips on living a healthier, longer life. See you in the next video.